What's up guys, I'm Jason, this is the Freebird Garage, and today we are working on the rear shocks for the Harley Davidson FXR vine. And if you didn't already see the thumbnail, or if you did see it, you know we are installing these beautiful, delicious, awesome, fantastic Ohlins shocks. I've been waiting for a very long time to install these. I've had them on my shelf. I have not installed them, of course, on my FXR already, because when I got them, the primary started to leak and it was just spewing all over the back of my belt and the rear shock as it was, so it made no sense to install these beautiful ass shocks just to have primary fluid shoot all over the rear. So that's why those have been sitting up there. But more importantly, how I got those on my shelf was a big thanks to Tucker Speed Shop. If you've never heard of them before, they're all over Instagram. They are a performance building Harley shop out of Utah, and they are awesome guys to work with. If you are looking for some performance parts, you are looking for some guys that know what they are talking about, that wrench, that ride, that race, these guys are fantastic to work with. I always have an affiliate program or affiliate code down below in my description. If you use the word Freebird on your exit when you're checking out, you'll get 10% off. Of course, I get a kickback and they get obviously their slice of it, but it's no extra charge to you, and you get yourself 10% off whenever you want. It doesn't expire, doesn't use anything, and they have all the major brands. They got Dixon, they got Legend, they have Ohlins, they have Biltwell, they have anything you could think of. You can also hit them up on Instagram and they will help you out and figure out which way you want to go and kind of get you in the right direction, what you were thinking for on your bike. That's how I landed on those shocks, because I was going between all the big brands. I wanted something that just really was on the top end for FXRs for some reason. For me, I wanted to go with Ohlins. Now that's not to say the other brands are bad, just I've always wanted a set of Ohlins on my FXR. And if you haven't already catch Tucker Speed Shop on Instagram, they're out racing a performance bagger right now in the King of the Baggers, and it's a badass bike. You guys gotta check them out, and a huge thanks to them once again, because when I was at a small channel and still am a small channel, they reached out to me and said if I want to be part of them, work with them. They were really digging it, and a huge thanks to you guys. I appreciate you working with me. So enough of this, let's get into the shocks. All right, let's do a little unboxing of these Ohlins, see how nice the packaging is. Match the quality, hopefully. All right, a little instruction manual on the HD 44s with some spacers, pretty standard. Ooh. And a little sticker basket, swag pack from Tucker Speed Shops themselves. Damn, those are some badass stickers. Let's see if we get some of these out. Oh man, these are sick. I appreciate it, Jordan, man, those are dope. Some throwbacks there, check that out. Oh, wait, hold on, let's see. Oh yeah. Appreciate it, guys, love the swag. Oh, and some patches below. What? Sweet. Wow, there's one more. Check it out. Nice. And the big boy FXR Road King. I would say one of the big famous builds that they did that everyone knew about. That's sick. Appreciate it, guys. And any of you guys that are interested in these stickers, I'm going to give some of these away. Just mention in the comments below, stay free. And then follow me on Instagram and I'll shoot you a free sticker if you want one. So up for grabs as supplies last. All right, let's go check out the golden juice below. Oh. Ooh. Look at that. More installation tool. Who cares? Let's check out the gold, the famous Ohlins gold here. Oh my. Look at that. Look at that sucker right there. Damn! Alright, enough looking. Let's get these installed. Okay, before we get to disassembling the shock, I want to show the difference of the old one versus the new one. There it is, 13.5 from eyelet to eyelet. This is 14.25 we are bumping it up to. So, pretty gnarly difference. Gotta get a nice gap between the tire and the fender. It's gonna sit pretty proper after that. Let's get it done. Disassembly should be pretty standard, 3/4 of an inch. On the rear here, let's break it loose. And normally if you were just to replace your shocks, pretty standard, because you could just replace one and then do the other one. But because we have a height difference, we gotta drop the whole rear end again, let it swing out in order to get the new ones fit, of course. First one off, and we're gonna drop the top here. That's easy side. Side that's gonna flop down. Let's get that. All right, ran into a slight problem on the bottom mount here. I was notified this prior to buying the shock there would be some grinding. Unfortunately, the bottom doesn't quite clear the hole. So I gotta do some grinding on the swing arm piece here, make some clearance. We're gonna go ahead and get to grinding here. Finished piece right here. Got a nice small groove going. Should allow us to clear. Yep. Just like that. All right, let's do the other side. The left side. All right, we're all grind up, cleaned up, ready to throw the shock on. Gonna throw the bottom mount piece first. Hole, multiple washers. Had to figure out a configuration with these washers because it wasn't an exact fit, so I had to space them accordingly to get them to do so. There, good there. The little blue Loctite, as by the book says, 2 dabs, or sorry, 2 drops of blue in particular. All nice in threads. All right, slightly got them snugged on. We're gonna do the top one now. Long sleeve bolt for the top, washer. Inside bolt, blue Loctite, 9/16. The inside, 11/16 on the outside. Bottom bolt, 3/4, boxed, socket. All right, we're gonna torque these down. Bottom bolts are different from the top bolts on the torque specs from the book. 35 to 40, 33 to 35 up top. Gonna lock that down now. Starting off with 35 for the bottom. Go, just at 40. There, do the top. 33 to 35. Now we're gonna bump it up to 35. All right, good to go. Let's jump to the other side. All right, same as the other side, just the tires now lift up, so it just makes it a little bit easier. Throw the bottom nut on there first, work our way up to the top. Let's see it finished. Bam! The Ohlins shocks are all complete and finished for the time being. I have a couple more adjustments I need to do, of course. The sag's got to be redone on this once I get it off the lift. And I want to paint the swing arms where I have scuffed off and grinded away to make sure these bottom pieces fit. I do have clearance down here, so for any of those wondering if there's enough clearance, there's enough clearance for it to move around. Now these shocks aren't exact replacements for FXRs. I were special ordered through Tucker Speed Shop. They did let me know there was going to be grinding, of course, on these shocks to get them installed. Believe they're actually meant for Sportsters, but the spring rate is rated for my weight, so I'm not worried about it not being able to take it. So this thing is properly set up as far as the FXR goes, my weight. Can't be more stoked to get on the road. That about wraps up for me on this one, guys. I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you, and as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!